What's Mummy doing today? What am I going to do on you, Dax?
Play with toys.
No, not play with toys. What am I going to do to your face? What are we going to put on it?
Makeup.
Makeup, yeah. Right. We're going to do your makeup. Mummy's got to try and get her fat bum in this bit here. Right. Right, are you ready? Are you ready? Right, Dax, what eyeshadow would you like? What colour do you want?
I think some brown.
Some gold. Or one of these ones?
I think I should pick some. I know, yeah.
This one. Oh, that's a good choice. Right.
I need the white.
Okay, get wet white. Come on then, Dax. Are you coming back so I can do your makeup? Oh, right, you got to close your eyes like this. Oh, mate, you're so pretty. So pretty. Right, let's get some more on to do next side. Next side. Right. Oh, beautiful.
My hands get down my mouth.
Oh, okay. What lipstick do you want on?
I
Pick this one, or
want
This
this
one.
one.
gold?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody's liking gold today. Right. Wait a minute. You don't need to close your eyes for this one. Oh, yeah. So beautiful. I'm going ow! Stay still. That is no. I will get these. Good, that was beautiful, that is. What else do we need to put on you? Should we put some mascara on you? You've got to close your eyes. This one. Close your eyes. Oh. Oh, it's going to look so nice. And this one? This one? Okay, let me see. Beautiful. Wow. Should we put a little bit of blush on your cheeks? Do this one, that one.
Yeah.
Cheeks. Right, are you ready? Come on, make your chin up like this. Oh, we don't really make it like that. Oh, we're getting that contouring in, are we? We're getting that contouring in. Does that feel nice? Oh, that.
I will be happy as a tiger.
Oh, yeah, you're going to look so beautiful, aren't you? I can't see your face from here. Oh, cute. Now we've got to do your eyebrows. Do Dax's eyebrows. You're watching Superman, are you? Now you've got to keep them. What were you doing? What are you doing?
Wait,
Yeah. Go over, Mum. No, stay still, you. And you've got to see it to the camera, and that's your makeup for today. You've got to look right in the camera so I can see your makeup.
and that's your makeup today.
Right.
And that's your makeup today.
That's all your makeup. You've got to go really close and look at it. So I can see your makeup. You're a beautiful boy.